So this is the Trung An Boat Tour down in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Went down there on the last day of my trip in Vietnam. It basically consisted of something like this, a traffic jam of boats that goes as far as the eye can see. Actually what we're waiting for there is to get into this cave down there. You can see people disappearing in the distance. And the cave just went on and on and on, as did that woman singing in the background. The woman paddling the boat was a little concerned I was going to belt my head on the top of the cave. But yeah, just trying to get some good video footage, that's all. This particular cave must have been almost a kilometre long. We seem to be paddling through here forever. I don't know, I think it took about 20-30 minutes to get out the other side. Every now and then it opened up into some really large caverns. It's very impressive. Eventually we popped back out into the sunshine, or lack thereof. More of the beautiful scenery of Ninh Binh. It's just an amazing area. They've built all these little temples and things around this area as well. You can get out with a few thousand of your closest friends and have a bit of a look around.
Tương lai của Hoa đi lái trò. Để em đoán. Không mà áo phao này ghi là 200.000 cơ à? 200.000 là hết cái chuyến đò này luôn đấy, không còn. Sao không nhắc một câu để lái đò
That was really good. The actual boat ride was several hours. You know, I got a sore butt from sitting on that little steel seat. But anyway, you hear some people saying that it's not worth it. You know, you can just follow them around on the roads, but no, you can't. The boat goes in all these caves and inland as well, so it's really worth it. Yeah, it's only like $12 anyway, so whatever. Anyway, so back on the bike. I just ride back down to the hotel now. Time to pack up and flying back to Australia now. So that's pretty much it.